Hi friends, welcome to Nandhi's recipe, and in today's recipe we are going to see how to make Hakka noodles. Now let's get started with the recipe. Today I have taken 300 grams of Hakka noodles and I have boiled it in water along with some oil and some spices, and let them get boiled for about 4 to 5 minutes. Strain them and keep it aside. Before we begin, I'm going to scramble the 2 eggs and keep it aside as well. To a heated vessel, add required amount of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add some finely chopped garlic, say about 3, and some finely chopped ginger. Saute them well, and once the garlic gets slightly browned in color, add in 1 thin sliced onion. Saute the onions. You do not need to over fry them. Today I have taken 1 medium-sized carrot that I have cut into juliennes. Add them as well, and then I have added 1 thin sliced capsicum and some cabbage along with some corn. The vegetables are so colorful, aren't it? Add in required amount of salt and let it get cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, I'm going to add the eggs that I have scrambled and kept it already. Add in the already cooked noodles and mix them well with the vegetables so that they get blended together. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and half tablespoon of chili sauce. So this chili sauce is based upon its spiciness. If you want it to be more spicy, add in more chili sauce. Now mix the noodles well so that all the sauces gets mixed well together along with the noodles. Add in half tablespoon of pepper powder, and finally I'm going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. Most of us try this kind of noodles at restaurant. Why not try this restaurant style noodle at home itself? And I'm going to serve this hot noodles and enjoy this noodle in this rain. Do try this recipe at home, and please put your comments in the comment section, and do share it with your friends and family members. It values a lot to me. I will come with another interesting recipe in my next video. Thank you.